I believe that we all have greatness within inside of ourselves. And when we step into that, we find more meaning, more purpose, more fulfillment and joy, not only for ourselves, but for our businesses, our companies, our organizations, and for the greater world.
And welcome, Ron Frost.
We're glad to have you with us.
Frost was fabulous. He provided a lot of insight through his own experience. He allowed me to reflect on what my desire was, what my vision of that desire was, and then what action items I was going to take this week, not next week, not tomorrow, but like now, what I was going to do now. And that was my huge takeaway.
Their why is what motivates them. It's not the what that they do, it's the why that they do it. And when they connect with that, everything else works.
Really just eye-opening and encouraging is that I left with an immediate plan, not something that I'm going to do in a year or what I hope. We covered that as well, but I have immediate action, what I'm going to do tonight. And that whole idea of getting out of the thought and out of the dream and into the action was just inspiring. So I really enjoyed it.
So what do you think about Ron Frost's speech this morning?
It was great. He had these blue cards that made you map out your mission statement and your vision. This 50-minute session, he gives those blue cards, makes you write down your mission statement. In 5 minutes, I did it. After all those weeks of pushing it off, I finally did it.
Awesome.
And I feel so much more clarity, like a weight's been lifted off my shoulders, just from this 50-minute session.
This was some sort of mysterious, magical room where people would walk in and disappear. The doors would open and there would be nobody there.
We do great at the choosing of the goal. We actually fail at fulfilling the promise to ourselves of achieving the goal.
Oh, Ron Frost was a great pick-me-up this morning because as a CAM manager of a condo high-rise, I get a lot of challenges with our board of directors. So having a speech like we had this morning about how we have to realize what is our purpose first and then our goals, that has helped me, and I'm going to share with my board of directors.
So I'm
Magic
thankful for Ron
50
for
minutes.
that. He was really good at explaining it, and I think he helped a lot of people who've never heard of one make their own. So definitely recommend it.
Awesome. Thank you, James.
Thank you.